Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by syncing roles and gear. Make sure 2 tanks, 2 healers, and 4 DPS meet the min requirements. Once grouped, assign positional markers north, south, east, and west so everyone knows their initial stations. Pull with a single tank, the other tank stands ready to taunt on add spawn. Use pre-potions exactly at pull, 3 damage pots and 2 group heal pots, because that front-loads your burst and stabilizes early HP swings. Once the fight progresses, focus on interrupt sequencing and add control. You must stun priority casts in the 1 to 2 to 3 order so damage windows remain safe. Make sure 2 DPS peel when side adds hit roughly half health, because uncontrolled cleaves punish healers hard. Rotate defensive cooldowns at 30% to soak the berserk volley, and stack offensive cooldowns at 20% to down the remaining adds before the beast enrages and wipes the raid. Communicate clear. You finish by staging a synchronized final burst. Trigger trinkets, potions, and execute skills when the boss hits 10% so damage peaks together. Tanks must face the boss away from the group to avoid cleave damage, and healers should conserve mana for that final emergency window until the kill. If you wipe, reset immediately. Adjust the interrupt order or swap 1 DPS for ranged utility so adds are handled cleaner on the next attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.